This is the Clocky, a digital alarm clock from Nanda Home. It's going up for sale, and this is just a quick demonstration to show how it works. This clock's snooze alarm has a special little feature that lets you set how many times you can hit it before the clock runs away on you. I have it set at 0, and it can be set up to 9. Also, according to the manual I found online, it's supposed to be able to be set to 24-hour format, but I can't get it to come out of the 12-hour format that it's currently in. So I'm not sure if that's a problem with the clock or... oh, never mind. And here we go. Okay, I think that's good enough for now. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm not sure if the inability to go to a 24-hour format is a problem with this particular clock, or if not all models have that feature. But as you can see, other than being able to switch time formats, it does work fine.